Hi guys, welcome to Ourshopfix web design tutorial. I'm Sadiq by name. So in this video I'm going to just make a quick introduction on introductory video on what we'll be doing on this channel. So we've decided to make a complete series on how to build a website. So in this tutorial, we're going to teach you a complete guide from A to Z on how to design a website with zero knowledge of the programming language. What we're simply saying here is that we're going to teach you guys how you design a complete, responsive and functional website without having any knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, or any of those languages you guys know people use to develop a complete website. So there are some other ways you guys can still use to create a website without knowing all those programming languages. So what we'll be doing in this tutorial is that we'll teach you guys how to create a blog, that is a personal blog. We'll teach you guys how to create an e-commerce website, that is a website that you can create for a single business. That is, you can still make the website to have some kind of features like you place a product online with the price, a buyer come from somewhere, buy the product, and you receive the buyer will make payment through the website and you receive an alert saying so person from so place purchase a product, and you know what next to do. We'll teach you how to create that kind of website, and we'll also teach you how to create a school management website. So all these tutorials are for free. You don't have to pay a penny for them. So what we'll be doing now is that we're going to start with the blog part of it because it's the simplest one. So as I told you guys earlier, this is just an introductory video of what we'll be doing. So in the next time, we're just going to make some overview of things we're going to look when we come on the next video. So bear it in mind, if you want to learn how to create a website and you've been worrying how long is this going to take me to learn HTML and CSS before I can create my own website. Well, you know, a lot of us have that kind of issues that draw us back when we want to create a website. Well, this tutorial is for both beginners and the expert. So I promise to make everything clear and easier for you guys to understand. So if you're interested in this series, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so that you guys will be updated whenever I post new videos, so that you won't miss any video I made, since we are going to take everything step by step and the video will be in series. So let's take overview of some websites that are created on the Blogger platform, because in our next video we're going to start with the Blogger part of the web design. So if you take a look on my computer screen right now, you see that I have some tabs of 3 websites right here. So let's take a look at the first one here, which is www.ourshopfix.com. So as you all know, if we create a website on Blogger, there is a default address created by Blogger. If you take for example this website here that says www.dhtechzone.blogspot.com. so that's the automated address generated by Blogger whenever you created a website on Blogspot. So in this, if you follow along with us, we'll come to make a video on how you can make something customized like this that will look like you decide on what you want to name the address. Is either you want to use .com, .net, .org, .com.ng, whatsoever you wanted to use. So we're going to explain how to do that in the future, but right now, as I told you guys earlier, this is just an introductory. So you take a look on this website. Let's scroll down, let's scroll to bottom to take a look. Just take a look on how this website look. Everything is created on Blogger, and you don't have to understand anything about HTML, CSS to get this done. But if you want to if you want your website to look more professional and beautiful, it's good if you could take a little bit of your time to make some research on what is CSS and HTML and how they work, so that you have some basic knowledge on how these things work. And you can also check on Bootstrap also and Materialize, because those are the online source where we get free we get free code and free designs to add on our Blogger. So if you don't have any knowledge of how HTML and CSS work, believe me, it's going to be very hard for you. So in order to make your website very professional, you should make some little research on those things. They will help you a lot. So this website, everything is built on Blogger. Alright, as you can see, it looks professional. If you come down here, you see we have in the footer here, the copyright is completely, everything is right reserved to Ourshopfix. There is nothing like copyright to it. Everything, if you take a look at the domain also is Ourshopfix.com. So there is nothing that will show somebody and then that person will understand that, oh, this website is built on Blogger. That person doesn't know anything about the web, the languages we use in creating a website. Also, if you open a single post, drop down to the comment section where we used to see all this kind of let me say avatar that used to have all these blogger issues. If you take a look on the avatar, you see that we also replace that avatar with customized image. So instead of it to show the Blogger avatar, it's going to give you a customized avatar. We're also going to teach you all that so that your website will look very professional. Also, if you take a look at this website, it's also built on Blogger, and everything, the copyright is credited to DX Texon himself. So there's nothing like a copyright of a team or anything. Or it's only the domain name here that is showing .blogspot.com. That's what will make person to understand this build on Blogger so easily. So also this is also a baby website, but if you take a look at the front end, you see that it makes sense, and some of the posts he made is also cool. So if you want anything like this, just cool down your mind. You're on the right place, right track, and we're going to guide you from the beginning to the end, and you come to understand how to build this kind of website, and you can do it for your personal use. Also, we'll also teach you how to make a kind of website like this. You make some posts and earn money for people just visiting your website. You'll be earning a little bit of money, and if you put a lot more effort on it and you manage to have a lot of visitors, that is a lot of traffic on your website, you'll be able to earn much money on it. So you guys should subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be informed whenever I post a new video. So this will be the end of the introductory video. In the next video we're going to start on the real deal. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.